Hello guys! Here we are again, traveling around Sardinia. Today we are near Iglesias. We are on the west coast, the so-called mining coast, because of the presence of a lot of old mining sites on the coast to visit. A lot of very suggestive abandoned villages, a lot of natural monuments, such as this one of my shoulder that is Pan di Zucchero rocks. I don't know if you can see it. And we are staying here 2 nights in this bed and breakfast called Domus de Janas. Now I make a tour because I opened this section on my Sandàlia Racconta blog dedicated to hotels on the road, or bed and breakfast on the road, because of my job. I'm journalist in the sector in the aim of tourism in Sardinia, so I travel a lot, and I love to describe the places that I visit, and also hotels and bed and breakfast, so that you can be sure to make a good choice for your holiday in Sardinia. We already visited this area in spring, but was raining. Now is October, and is a perfect season to visit the west coast and the wild coast of Sardinia. As you can see, I am with a t-shirt, so temperature is very good, even if yesterday was raining. And there are a lot of things to visit, starting from the islands of Sant'Antioco and Carloforte, and going up to visit, I don't know, for example, Gonnesa, the village, the ancient village in which we are now, in the bed and breakfast. You can see the wonderful beach of Fontana Mare. You can visit the coast, of course, the so-called mining coast, and see also a lot of museums to better know the history of the territory and the history of these abandoned mines, and also go to walk, so make trekking on the routes that people that once lived here made to go to work. There are very panoramic streets. You will see, you can make climbing here. There are a lot of things to see, especially excursions. But also the center of Iglesias is so nice, because there are a lot of history of Middle Age, and it's so suggestive historic center, Iglesias. In fact, even if we already visited, we are going again this evening for my birthday. So I want to show you this bed and breakfast called Domus de Janas. It is a very good start point to visit the west coast. Yesterday I knew the owner, Andrea, and he told me that he's going also, hopefully he's going to be also a wellness center just next to the bed and breakfast. That to me is already a wellness bed and breakfast, because as you will see, there is a wonderful shower with colors that change, and now also I draw message, so it's very nice. And you can include it also in the price. You have this courtesy set with I don't know, with back flowers, shower soap, and but also Sardinian products made like herbs. So it's a very relaxing place. And moreover, there is the kitchen. For example, yesterday that was raining, we couldn't go outside, and we decided to cook something here. But you also have you almost crashed. You also have this very good barbecue. Now we are in the outside of the bed and breakfast. This is the main entrance, and as you can see, you have an image of the coast, and this is Pan di Zucchero, is the most famous natural monument in this area. Pan di Zucchero rock, and you can go to have a happy hour and the sunset there, and it's so nice. Anyway, this is the outside. Okay, we have this table, so we can have dinner and lunch here, and we can relax outside. And now we are going to see inside the breakfast room, but that is also the kitchen. Okay, we are here. First of all, we have this exposition of Sardinian products, so very good wines, and these are beauty's product. Can you see it? I hope yes, because my smartphone is not so new so and makes not a very good videos, but we can try. Okay, and everything is painted with my favorite colors, that is turquoise and blue, and this is the kitchen. Okay, but everything is very we can see a lot of touch, a lot of details everywhere, but also something that can help you in your trip in Sardinia, because there are a lot of guides, such as this one, Discover Suci's Iglesias, in English, and also Andrea, the owner, can tell you something and give you a lot of suggestions for your trip. This is the breakfast room and kitchen room. This is our breakfast of this morning. Okay, so handmade honey made in this area, and also jams made in this area, so very fresh croissant, very nice, and also a sofa bed. But the things that catch my attention is this murales, and this what is this painting is the mask of one of the most famous carnival in Sardinia, Sardinia di Oristano. I suggest you to go in February, because it's a great show. I went twice, and I want to go again. They run with horses, and they make a very spectacular run. So Sardinia. And this is a wall. I think that was before the restoration of the house, this ancient wall, and now we see that is also, we can find this ancient wall also in the rooms. I don't show you my room because it's very chaotic. Okay, I found, open it. Okay, everything is electrical. When I press the the light turns on. Okay, this is junior suite. Okay, this is the, I want to show you, okay, a panoramic view of this room, of this suite, that is so romantic to me, and also the details, the towers. Okay, we have a sofa bed here, and we also have some very interesting pieces of history, like this one. Okay, my mother my mother used my grandmother and my mother used this one for dresses, you know, and it's so nice to have to see one of these in your room. But that is kind of little museum, so it's very characteristic. And now we see that we also have a private bathroom, that is this one with a very big shower. Okay, and products, courtesy set, as I told you. Can you see it? But now we go. Let me switch off the light. Okay, one is okay, and also the other one here. I want to show you my bathroom. That is fantastic. Okay, this is the shower I was telling you about. Oh, first of all, can you see the lights? Okay, it's kind of wellness center, and the lights change, and it's very relaxing. And you also have hydro massage on the shower. Okay, and you have everything you need, and you also have these products. This is back flowers. The smell is fantastic. Oh, I have to open maybe, but I used yesterday, so I know this one. And this is everything. I just want to tell you that is a very good start point to discover the mining coast, the wild coast of Sardinia. Now we go back to our painting, and just want to say hello. I go to enjoy my birthday, so I think that today we are going back to Sant'Antioco Island in the south of Sardinia, or we go back to visit the historic center of Iglesias. Okay, so from Eleonora is everything. If you want some infos about your holiday to visit this coast, or maybe you want to visit Domus de Janas bed and breakfast, you can contact me, so I can give you the contact of Andrea. But Domus de Janas bed and breakfast is also, if I remember well, on booking.com, maybe on Airbnb, I'm sure on booking.com, so you can see also opinions of other guests that anyway are very, very good. Bye bye.